Dear friends, today, I feel truly honored to speak about one of the greatest legends of Indian sports, Milka Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh. His life is a story of pain, courage, hard work, and ultimate success. He showed us that no matter how difficult life gets, with determination and hard work, we can achieve anything. Early life and struggles. Milka Singh was born on the 20th of November 1929 in a small village called Gobindpura, which is now in Pakistan. He came from a very poor family. Life was not easy for him. He didn't have enough food to eat or proper clothes to wear. But even with all the difficulties, he had big dreams. During the time of India's partition in 1947, Milka Singh went through a very tragic experience. His parents, brother, and sister were killed in front of his eyes during the riots. He somehow managed to escape and came to India as a refugee. He lived in refugee camps and had to struggle even to survive. At one point, he even thought about becoming a dacoit. But fate had something else planned for him. Joining the army in 1951. Milka Singh joined the Indian Army. This decision changed his life. The army gave him food, shelter, and most importantly, discipline. It was here that he discovered his talent for running. During one of the army races, he came first, and his seniors noticed his potential. They encouraged him to train as a professional athlete. He started practicing hard, sometimes even running 10 kilometers barefoot in the hot sun. His dedication was so strong that he would train even after everyone else had stopped. Milka Singh believed in the power of hard work and never gave up, no matter how tired he was. Achievements and glory. Milka Singh's name became known all over India when he started winning races. In 1958, he won gold medals in the 200 meters and 400 meters races at the Asian Games in Tokyo. That same year, he also won a gold medal in the 400 meters at the Commonwealth Games. He became the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in the Commonwealth Games. This was a proud moment for the entire nation. His most memorable race was the 400 meters final at the 1960 Rome Olympics. He was leading for most of the race, but in the final seconds, he looked back to check his position, which slowed him down. He finished fourth, missing the bronze medal by a very small margin. Though he didn't win, he broke the national record and earned the respect of the whole world. After that race, the President of Pakistan, General Ayub Khan, called him the Flying Sikh. A title that stayed with him forever. It was not just a name but a symbol of speed, spirit, and strength. Lessons from Milka Singh's life. Milka Singh's life teaches us many lessons. Never give up. Even after facing death, hunger, and homelessness, Milka Singh didn't give up. He turned his pain into power and kept moving forward. Hard work pays off. He always believed that success only comes through hard work. There were no shortcuts for him. He practiced more than anyone else and gave everything he had. Stay humble. Even after becoming a national hero, he remained simple and grounded. He always remembered his roots and never let fame change him. Discipline is key. His time in the army taught him discipline. And he carried that discipline into every part of his life. Inspire others. He always encouraged young athletes to dream big. He donated all his medals to the country and set up training centers to help young talent. Personal life. Milka Singh married Nirmal Kaur, who was the captain of the Indian women's volleyball team. They had 4 children and also adopted the 7-year-old son of a soldier who died in the Battle of Tiger Hill. His son, Jeev Milka Singh, became a famous international golfer. Legacy. Milka Singh is not just remembered for his medals, but for the spirit he brought to Indian athletics. Before him, India had not achieved much in track and field. He made Indians believe that they could compete with the world's best. In 2021, Milka Singh passed away due to COVID-19. The entire nation mourned his loss. He may not be with us today, but his story will continue to inspire generations. His life is now a part of textbooks, films, and history. A Bollywood movie called Bhag Milkha Bhag, starring Farhan Akhtar, was made on his life. It beautifully shows the struggles and triumphs of this great athlete. Milkha Singh sold the rights to his story for just 1 rupee, on the condition that the earnings from the movie would go to a charity to help young athletes. Conclusion. Dear friends, Milkha Singh's story is more than just a tale of an athlete. It is the story of a human being who refused to be broken by tragedy. It is the story of a refugee who became a legend. It is the story of a man who showed that with hard work, nothing is impossible. In our lives, we may not all become world-class athletes, but we can all learn from Milkha Singh's determination, courage, and dedication. He taught us to run toward our goals, not away from them. He taught us to rise after every fall. Let us all remember his words: hard work, willpower, and dedication, that's what you need to become a champion. Thank you.